Okay, now that we have our crackers all lined up and ready to go, we're gonna bring our caramels in, melt them down with just about a tablespoon of water or two. We're gonna let this sit for a minute and just melt down really good, and then we'll come back to it. Now that we have all of our caramel all melted, we're going to take and pour right on top of our crackers here. All right, now we're gonna take and do our caramel over each of the crackers the best that you can. Nicely on each of the crackers. I am going to come with some peanuts. Just sprinkle some on here. Just be generous, why not? All right, now I'm bringing in some melted chocolate, and we're just gonna pour it all over. Just, who doesn't
Is this milk chocolate?
Yes. Yes, milk chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate and caramel? And nuts?
I'm telling you, that is so good.
You can't go wrong. So now you just smooth it over nicely on all. All right. And just for fun, I have some candy corns left over for my Halloween. So we're just gonna pop some of these on here just for fun. Why not, right?
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Isn't it? We're still in fall.
This is going to be a must-have on my Thanksgiving table.
Oh yeah, the
That
kids
is
will
so
love it too,
cute.
right?
The
Love
kids
the
are going to
colors.
love that.
All right, now that we have our topping on, we're gonna pop this into the fridge for a couple of hours and let it cool down and harden up. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna start breaking this into pieces. Just make them in the size that you would like them. Oh, look at that, all ooey and gooey.
With that caramel.
It's still coming off, it's still coming off, it's just a
Oh
little
my
more work.
gosh, how yummy.
All right, once you get this broken up how you want it, we're gonna bring in a serving tray. Make this nice for everyone. Right, now that we have it plated, let's give this a try.
Look at all of that caramel and peanuts.
That's really good, guys. Your guests are gonna love this.